Welcome back to Gearshift, where we bring you the latest updates and detailed reviews of all things automotive. Today, we are going to dive into the 2025 Suzuki Smura, a fresh entry into the compact crossover segment that's getting a lot of attention. Suzuki has built this vehicle for drivers who crave a balance between rugged functionality and modern-day tech. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Suzuki Smura stands out with its bold and modern look. At the front, we have a sleek grille design with chrome accents that give the car a sophisticated edge. The headlights are angular, featuring LED technology for better night visibility. The muscular fenders and wide stance contribute to a more robust and commanding road presence. The overall profile shows off a sloping roofline, giving it a coupe-like appearance while maintaining the practicality and space of an SUV. It's clear that the Smura is a vehicle designed to be both stylish and functional, with a design that can fit into city life but also looks capable enough to venture off the beaten path. Moving to the interior, Suzuki has really stepped up its game with the Smura. The cabin is both spacious and sophisticated, with premium materials used throughout. The dashboard layout is modern and intuitive, with a large infotainment screen at the center that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The seats are ergonomically designed for comfort, offering good support for long journeys. Even though this is a compact SUV, Suzuki has maximized the interior space, offering ample legroom and headroom, especially for rear passengers. The panoramic sunroof adds a touch of luxury, giving the cabin a more open and airy feel. It's clear that comfort and convenience have been a priority in the design of the 2025 Smura. Now, let's talk about the engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Smura offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers impressive performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The engine produces around 150 horsepower, which is more than enough to provide a fun and engaging driving experience whether you are navigating city streets or hitting the highway. Suzuki has also equipped the Smura with all-wheel drive as an option, giving it added capability for light off-roading or adverse weather conditions. The CVT transmission is smooth, providing a seamless driving experience, and the car offers multiple driving modes, including an eco mode for better fuel economy when you are in the city. Looking at the backside, the 2025 Suzuki Smura has a bold rear design with sleek LED tail lights that wrap around the edges, giving the vehicle a distinctive look. The rear bumper is robust and has a sporty design that complements the overall rugged feel of the vehicle. The rear cargo space is generous for a compact SUV, and the split folding seats allow you to expand the trunk area when needed, making it practical for larger loads or road trips. A retractable tailgate adds ease of access, allowing you to load and unload with minimal effort. In terms of safety, Suzuki has equipped the Smura with a suite of modern driver assist features. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The Smura also comes with a robust airbag system and ABS to keep you protected in case of an accident. The build quality of the vehicle feels solid, and it's clear that Suzuki has focused on keeping safety a top priority. So, is the 2025 Suzuki Smura worth considering? If you are looking for a stylish, compact crossover that balances performance, comfort, and technology, this vehicle is certainly worth a look. Its modern design, ample interior space, and capable engine make it an appealing option for those who want a versatile ride without going for a full-size SUV. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Suzuki Smura. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Gearshift for more detailed car reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.